Hello everyone, today we are going to explore Binance Alpha. Binance Alpha is a feature that introduces projects to users based on their potential in the crypto ecosystem. Considering token lifespan, team quality, and market hype, projects listed in Alpha have higher chance of being listed on the spot market in the future. Of course, not every token listed on Binance Alpha is guaranteed to be listed on the spot or futures market. Only tokens that stand out based on current market conditions are included in Alpha. Previously, the Alpha section was only accessible in the Web3 Assets section under the Wallet tab. Now, Binance has integrated this feature directly into the app. As you can see, the Alpha section is right here. You can also access Alpha from the Market section and trade the listed tokens. But now Alpha has been integrated into the main Binance Exchange section as well. Click on the Market section and you will see the Alpha tab at the top. Here you can view all the tokens listed in Alpha and trade them as you wish. In the Alpha tab, the latest tokens appear at the top. You can sort them by trading volume or price changed in the last 24 hours. This makes it easier to find active tokens. To trade, just tap a token to view details and make a purchase. Let's say you want to buy a token. All the necessary details are provided here, including market cap, liquidity, holders, and FTV. You can also analyze its chart right here. Additionally, if you have placed orders before, you can view your orders history at the bottom. In the top left, there is an info section. Here you can see the 24-hour trading volume, highest and lowest prices, and total supply. You can also access the project's website and social media from this section. This applies to all listed projects. Click on the trade section. Then you can swap your stablecoin like USDT for the token you want. You can also switch between tokens as needed. The token names don't matter except in one case, since this is an on-chain transaction. If the token is on the Ethereum network, you will see the transaction fee here. For example, if I want to make a $10 trade, it tells me the minimum is $20, so I adjust it to that. Now I will spend $20 and receive 106 Polam tokens. I just click on Prioritization Success to complete the process. Here I can see the fee for the transaction I am about to make. My slippage is about $0.55 for the fee. This fee varies depending on the network, guys. Right now, these are the current network fees for the Ethereum. There are two different options, one at the top and one at the bottom. Here it shows you the small changes you need to make for your transactions to go through on the blockchain. Sometimes you can slightly increase the slippage. Right now, both are set to 1%. In the top section, you can increase it to the 1.5% or even 2% for a faster transaction. Similarly, for the priority fee and network fee. The top section shows 0.56 and the bottom shows 0.5. By paying a slightly higher fee, you can ensure your transaction goes through faster. If you click confirm, you will activate this option. Then by clicking the trade button, you can complete your purchases. As I mentioned, you should pay attention to the priority fee while making a transaction. For Ethereum, the fee is 0.57 cents. Let's check for a different network. I will look at Mubarak coin. I go to the trade section for Mubarak and see the minimum amount. The minimum is $5.34. Of course, this changes depending on the network. For BSC network, the minimum is $5.33. I'm gonna trade $10. To ensure the transaction goes through, I click priority on success. As you can see, the priority fee is around 33 cents. I click confirm. Now I'm buying $10 worth of Mubarak coin by clicking the trade button. The confirmation screen popped up and I'm approving the transaction. As you can see, my transaction was completed successfully. If I want to sell Mubarak, I can simply click trade button and sell it right away. Before selling, there are a few things I want to show you. By clicking this button, you can view your transaction history. This shows all your past buy and sell transactions. If you have made any transfers, you can see them here as well. Let's go back. The token you buy will appear in your assets section. If you go to the assets tab, you will see that I bought Mubarak and you can also see that Alpha tag. This is how you can track the tokens you purchased from Alpha in your assets section. Now I am going back to Alpha section. I select Mubarak and click Trade again. This time I am selling. At the top I can see my Mubarak balance and the estimated amount I will receive in dollars. I click Trade button. As you can see, the transaction was sent instantly. Now we are waiting for confirmation and it's approved. My balance updated immediately. And that's how you can easily buy and sell tokens. If you have any questions about Binance Alpha, feel free to ask us. Take care and see you next time.